So we're looking at the moon and Jupiter. It is Saturday the 8th of October, and a boat's about to come through the scene here any second now. One of the tour boats, the like river tour boats of the city. Let's see, we can get it all in? No, I guess. Anyway, it's a very nice video, if I say so myself. And we'll just track with the boat for a bit while it heads upriver there. At the biodome coming into the scene here. And yeah, so that's one of the AML cruise boats. So, and we'll come back to the moon and Jupiter. Actually, this is very nice because with that little gap in the clouds, I think it's time for a still photo.